Hi there, I'm Alicia, and this is Johnny. We're here to tell you a bit about OklahomaDisasterLegalHelp.org and the nonprofit organizations who have helped assemble this information.
But first, if you have been impacted by a natural disaster and are searching for disaster recovery information, you can find the information you need at OklahomaDisasterLegalHelp.org and select which disaster you've been impacted by in the drop-down list. You can also apply for legal help related to this disaster on the website.
OklahomaDisasterLegalHelp.org is a project of Legal Aid Services of Oklahoma, or LASSO. LASSO is a nonprofit providing disaster-impacted and low-income Oklahomans with civil legal assistance. LASSO maintains 18 offices across the state. A few examples of civil legal matters LASSO helps clients with are housing matters such as foreclosure or renters' rights, domestic matters such as divorce or guardianship, and elderly matters such as Social Security appeals and consumer scams. In addition to this civil legal assistance, LASSO attorneys provide assistance to Oklahomans impacted by disasters. Many issues might arise out of a natural disaster, such as replacing or correcting important documents, appeals for FEMA assistance, or securing your rights as a renter after a disaster. Even though it's common to have legal needs after a disaster, many people don't realize an attorney could help advise or represent them as they resolve these issues.
But LASSO isn't alone on this project. Oklahoma Indian Legal Services, also known as OILS, has joined in to offer specialized information for disaster-impacted Oklahomans who are members of federally recognized tribes. OIL's help in this project is crucial since many Oklahomans are tribal members, and much of the land in the state is tribal territory. You'll find additional information as a tribal member throughout the website.
OklahomaDisasterLegalHelp.org offers you helpful information about common legal issues that arise after natural disasters strike, but also provides you a way to apply for legal assistance when you need help or representation beyond the information found on the website.
That's right. Many people might not realize they have a legal issue that's preventing them from recovering from a disaster. Some examples of legal problems you might have following a natural disaster are property title issues, applications or appeals for FEMA assistance, replacing lost documents, foreclosures or housing issues, landlord-tenant issues, contractor fraud, wills and estates, or insurance claims or appeals.
Wow, that's more than you might think.
Exactly. And if you can't afford to hire an attorney for advice or representation, you might not be able to recover from a natural disaster. But LASSO attorneys can assist you during this hard time for you and your family, because they commonly see and deal with these issues. They can help provide you the most accurate information during your recovery and give you advice that helps reduce your stress and anxiety through the steps of recovery.
You can apply for assistance with legal aid services online at www.legalaidok.org or by calling 1-888-534-5243. The application process only takes 10 to 15 minutes, and from there an attorney will look at the case and contact you to get started. Best of all, there's no charge for these services as long as you meet their qualifications. There might be some filing fees for certain cases that you would be responsible for, but an attorney will always advise you of these fees up front.
That's an overview of OklahomaDisasterLegalHelp.org and the organizations behind this project. Find information about recovering from natural disasters or apply for assistance with your legal issues at OklahomaDisasterLegalHelp.org.